let's move on to the other example. So G sub 5, we have here the condition. So it is abelian because when we operate M star M, M star 7, 7 star M, it is equal to 7, which is we discussed earlier. So it is abelian, and has also a generator which is 7. So it is abelian, and it also has a generator. So here, this G sub 5 is a cyclic subgroup. So let's move on to G sub 6. So again, it is a abelian as what you can see, and letter O is a generator. So it is abelian. It has a generator. So therefore, it is a cyclic subgroup. So another one for proper subgroup G sub 7. So again, it is a abelian, and it has a generator which is 2. So it is abelian, it has a generator. So therefore, it is a cyclic subgroup. So another one for G sub 8, we have here the element for G sub 8 is R, M, and 6. So it is also abelian, and 6 is the generator. So therefore, it is a cyclic subgroup. Another one for G sub 9, it is a abelian. Um, 4 is also a generator. So therefore, is a cyclic group. So for G sub 10, we have here the element for G sub 10 are M and 8. So here, it is also abelian. It has a generator, which is 8. So therefore, we can conclude that this subgroup, this proper subgroup is a cyclic subgroup. So let's move on to the other subgroups. So we have here G sub 11 with an element MO15. So let's check if it is abelian. By drawing a diagonal line, we can see that it is symmetrical, and it is like a mirror image of the upper boundary and the lower boundary. So it is abelian. But as what you can see, it doesn't have a generator. So no generator. So it is abelian, but it doesn't have any generator. In this case, the two condition must be or should be satisfied. But here, one of the condition is violated. So that's mean it is not a cyclic subgroup because it violates the condition number 2. So let's move on to our G sub 12. Here, our table here. By drawing again a diagonal line, as what you can see, it mirrors the upper boundary and the lower boundary. This is the upper boundary, and this is the lower boundary. So here, we can see that it is abelian also. But it doesn't have any generator because when we operate M to itself, O to itself many times, so 3 and 7 also, it doesn't generates all the elements for G sub 12. So it is not, it is a abelian, but it doesn't have any generator. So it means that this proper star group is not a cyclic. So again, for the other proper subgroup, let's tackle G sub 13. So G sub 13 have a element ROQ. So this is the table. So by drawing a diagonal line, we can also determine that the upper boundary is upper boundary mirror the lower boundary. So that's mean uh, our group our group table or our subgroup, G sub 13 is abelian. And as what you can see here, the resulting element or the M or R, the elements that I have generated two of them is our generator. So for we have a two generator here. Here, these are R and sorry, this is Q. This is Q. So R and Q, our generator here. So we have a generator. So our subgroup is abelian, and also our subgroup have a generator, which are R and Q. So therefore, it is a cyclic subgroup. So let's move on for our G sub 14. Again, by drawing a diagonal line, we have see that upper boundary mirror the lower boundary. So it is a abelian. And as what you can see here, we don't have a generator. So it is abelian, but it doesn't have a generator. So therefore, it is not a cyclic subgroup. So for G sub 15, we have the table. So it is abelian because again, when we draw a diagonal line, the upper boundary and the lower boundary mirror themselves. So here, this table doesn't have a generator because what you can see in the presentation. So it is a abelian, but it doesn't have any generator. So therefore, it is not a cyclic subgroup. So let's move on to other examples of proper subgroup. So we have here G sub 16 with an element MROQ1357. So here we have the table. This is the two conditions that must be satisfied. So let's have a counter example here to prove that it is not a abelian. So when we operate M star 7 is equal to R, but when we operate 7 star 5 is equal to Q, that means it's not a abelian because our lower boundary and the upper boundary doesn't mirror themselves. So again, for generator, for the generator, when we generate the elements for G sub 16, it doesn't have the generator. It doesn't have the element generates all the elements. So it means it doesn't have any generator. So it is not a billion, and also it doesn't have any generator. So therefore, it is not a cyclic subgroup. So for the next proper subgroup, we have Marcos UT with the element. So here, I have the table, and we will look if it is a abelian. So so what you can see, when we draw a diagonal line, it is upper boundary mirrors the lower boundary, and uh, that's mean our subgroup is a abelian. So it has also generator, which are A, C, S, and T. Because when we generate A, again and again, the resulting elements is equal to our G sub 17. Also for C and S and T. So here we have a generator. So this subgroup is an abelian. So it also have a generator. So therefore, we can conclude that this proper subgroup or the G sub 17 is a cyclic subgroup. So for the last proper subgroup that we have G sub 18 with an element MROQ2468. So here it is the table. So we have here the following condition that must be satisfied. We have a counterexample here, which is when we operate 6 star 8 is equal to R, and when we operate 8 star 6 is equal to Q. The upper boundary and the lower boundary doesn't mirror themselves, so it is not a abelian. So again, when we generates the elements, all of the element that they are generated is not equal to the G18. So that's mean it doesn't have any generator. So our subgroup is not an abelian. It and also it doesn't have any generator. So therefore we can conclude that G sub 18 is not a cyclic subgroup. So we have here the summary of the subgroup. The green one represent a cyclic subgroup, but uh, the letter that doesn't have a green color is not a cyclic group and not a cyclic subgroup. And also, this is the summary when we look for the cyclic group and cyclic subgroup of uh, the lattice diagram. So here, we can see that only G17, G sub 13, G sub 2, G sub 3, G sub 4, G sub 5, G sub 6, G sub 7, G sub 8, G sub 9, G sub 10, and G sub 1 is the only subgroup that is a cyclic subgroup. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We have 12 cyclic subgroup. And the group itself is not a cyclic group because it is not abelian and also it doesn't have any generator. So that's all for today. And thank you for listening and watching. God bless us all.